As our conclusion, I'd like to remind us again that although design studio classes and architectural design learning are typically based on in-person interactions and experiential learning, e-learning has revealed possibilities that were not explored and recognized before. It could be argued that a hybrid learning model can cover opportunities offered by both in-person and virtual ones. At the same time, the chances for spatial explorations, hands-on experiences, teamwork, and building a culture in the built environment seems to become challenging. So e-learning can work for some disciplines better, often in the ones where computation, programming, and simulation are of main concerns. And architecture and design face challenges specifically in fabrication, in which direct interaction with the material, machine, and teamwork is essential. Our survey asking the students about their thoughts, preferences, and suggestions for the current condition demonstrates their expectation of using the features of remote learning that they found useful, such as access to recorded video lectures and other digital materials. With this last slide, I'll finish up by saying thank you for your time and attention. We'd also be glad to know and meet more people with similar interests who are willing to further collaborations and build knowledge. You can check our website, social media pages, or just shoot us a message. Thank you.